Hello, my name is Javier Morales, and today we will go over how to access the database Literature Online and how to complete a basic search using this database. To access Literature Online, you will start by heading over to the University Library website at library.sjsu.edu, which is the URL located here at the top. Once there, we will click on Articles and Databases, located on the right-hand side under Quick Links. It'll be the first one of that list there. Once we click that list, we have the option of searching for Literature Online by its name or by clicking on L and scrolling down to find Literature Online. Whichever option you use, once you do find the link to the database, you will go ahead and click on it to be sent to the database homepage. If you are accessing the database from home, you will be prompted for your SJSU student login, which should be the same as your SJSU1 login information. Let's go ahead and submit that. If you are accessing while connected to the campus Wi-Fi or a terminal at the university library, you will be simply brought to the homepage. As you will notice, the first thing you will see at the very top of the database homepage is a search box. You will also notice a row of tabs with fields such as authors, text, criticism, and reference. If you already have an idea of which field you want to search in, you're welcome to click on the appropriate one. But for the purpose of this video, we will simply use the search box on the homepage. So let's pretend we're completing research for a paper on modernist literature. So I'm going to go ahead and enter that term into the search box. This won't be too different from the way you might do a search using Google, for example. And then once we're ready, we're going to click on the search button. On the search results page, you'll notice that our search term modernist literature has brought up over 33,000 results. While this certainly gives us lots of options to search through, this is likely too many for us to use effectively. On the left-hand side, however, you are given the option to narrow the results by content type. And some of the options we're given include texts, criticism, and reference. Under text, you can also specify further on whether you want poetry, drama, prose, or literary works in journals. Let's go ahead and click on drama. You'll notice that our results have dropped down to 325, which is much more manageable. And then here on the results page, we can click on any of these links, the blue one specifically, to access that item. So let's click on the first one, The Angel of Robert Burns. And that'll take us to the item's bibliographic record in the database. And in this case, Literature Online also includes the full text for the play, The Angel of Robert Burns. So you'll notice here, it's fully available right there to begin with. You can just scroll down. If we'd like to return to the previous page, we can just go ahead and click on the back button, and it'll take us back to that list of previous search results. But if we'd like to start from scratch, we can also just go ahead and click exit. All right. And this is just one example how to complete a basic search using Literature Online. You might have noticed, though, that this database did not allow us to narrow the results by publication year, or by whether if the full text was available. We will go over how to use these more advanced search filter options in the next video, Literature Online Advanced Search. Thank you.